I call your name in silence, but your eyes won't meet with mine. You smile, but I can feel it. Your heart is locked behind the line. Try to break through every shadow, but you build your walls too high. Still I stand here in the fire, waiting for your soul to cry. Awuvuli, I keep loving through the cold, but your spirit won't unfold. Awuvuli, can you feel my love? I want to let you in, but I'm afraid you'll see the scars of hidden dreams in silence, buried deep behind the stars. My heart has known the silence of lovers who once lied. I wear the strength like armor, but inside I wanna cry. I feel the pull, I feel the light, but fear has kept me out of sight. You keep running from the flame, but my love still speaks your name. Awuvuli, I've been waiting all this time.
You say nothing, but your eyes scream.
You touch me, but never dream. Let your voice rise. Izwi, Lakho, Linamandla, Awuvuli. Tumelo thando lwami ngapha. I set my love your way. I'll be here when you are ready to rise above what's heavy. Awuvuli, but I'll keep singing in the night till you open to the light. Gelindile. Wounds in the heart, you know what I need. You've seen me bleed, you're not letting me in. I'm trying to heal and I'm trying to speak, but your heart's so weak, you won't open up. You won't open up, and I keep on trying. You say nothing. You won't open up, and I keep on trying, but you say nothing. You won't open up. Ooh, wounds in the heart, you know what I need. You've seen me bleed, you're not letting me in. You won't open, and I keep on trying, but you say